Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Selim Khan. You are watching computer repair. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to update or fix laptop keyboard not working. Sometimes our laptop cannot work properly and we may face different problem. In this case, I am going to show you a easy method to solve laptop keyboard not working. It's very simple and easy. Just follow me and fix your laptop keyboard not working. Let's do that. At first, click Windows plus R keys. It's open your run software. Then type here devmgmt.msc and press OK. This open your device manager. Then expand keyboard and you can see there is two keyboard in your PC. Then right click on this and open this update driver software. Then browse, then click here, then click, then choose and next, and you can see Windows has finished installing the driver software for this device. Then close it. Then right click on this and open this update driver software. Then click here, then select and press next, and Windows has finished installing the driver software for this device, and close it. If you ask to restart your computer, do that. Restart your PC and check keyboard, and you can see your keyboard is working well. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. My name is Selim Khan. You are watching computer repair. If you like this video, share with your friends, and if you have any question, please post them in comment section below. Thank you.